Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down one of Chris Howe's effects that he used in the video that he released yesterday. It's an amazing video, guys. If you have not checked out his Toronto in 90 seconds, go check out that video. I'll link it down in the description. It's an amazing video by an amazing video creator. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down this particular effect. And this is what I have made. So fire up a software and let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is download or shoot a similar clip like the one Chris Howe has used in his particular video. This is a clip that I downloaded from Pexels. So it's a skateboarding clip where the person is flipping the board so that you can create this amazing title bar animation effect. So to do this, the first thing that you have to do is put the clip on your timeline here. Once you do that, the next thing that you have to do is go to your project bin here, click on this particular icon and create a new adjustment layer. Put the adjustment layer on top of your video, guys. It's very important. You have to put the adjustment layer on top of your video. Now the next thing that you have to do is go to this effects panel right here and type in an effect called crop. You'll find this effect under video effects and transform. So just drag this particular effect onto your adjustment layer. Now once you're selected on your adjustment layer, go to this effects control tab right here, and from this particular place here, scroll down where you'll find the crop element here and its different properties. So from here we're going to make changes to two of its properties here. Make changes to the top and bottom property and change the value from 0 to 12. So it's going to give that fake cinematic title bar effect, and at this point half of our effect is already done, guys. All that's left is two things to do. First, you have to change the position of your particular video so that you are left with a clip where the skateboard is lying just above the title bar. It's very important that a skateboard lies just above the title bar so that when we make the animation, it looks like the skateboard is hitting the ground and creating the title bars to go away. Now do that by going to the transform properties of your particular clip and making changes to its position. Now, at this point, all you have to do is scroll to the point where a skateboard is about to hit the ground and go to the crop properties of your adjustment layer and click on this stopwatch icon for top and bottom. This is going to add a keyframe at this particular value at this particular point here. Now what you have to do is click on this particular icon to move 2 frames into the future. Go 2 frames into the future and change the values from 12 to 6 for both top and bottom. Again, go 2 frames into the future and this time change the values to 0. Now you might be noticing that the bottom part is not completely covered up. There is a little black portion still left. It's because we made some changes to the position of our clip. So to fix that, all you have to do is just change the scale from 100 to probably 115 or 120 depending on the clip you're working with, and your video will take the full screen now. At this point, your effect is basically done, guys. Render your clip and this is going to look something like this. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It gives me a lot of encouragement to make more videos and bring it to you guys. So stay safe, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.